Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something? I'm just here to find those AA winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called Paratek Pharmaceuticals. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Paratek Pharmaceuticals, they are a commercial stage biopharmaceutical company, and they're looking for they already have a product for some life-threatening diseases, as well as looking for public health threats for the civilians, government, and military use, which is pretty exciting. So let's look at the leadership team. MD, CEO, Chief Executive Officer is the MD, Dr. Lowe. Outstanding leadership team, really high-quality management team, experience in a bunch of different areas in pharmaceuticals. So one of the reasons I got excited about this company is they have recently been approved for their Nuzara omadacycline, which is a antibiotic, FDA approved already for once daily oral or IV antibiotic for treatments with adults with community-acquired bacterial pneumonia and acute bacterial skin structure infections. So it's pretty exciting stuff. They also have a product, sarecycline, Seysara, which is a once daily oral therapy for treatment of moderate or severe acne. And they have a license in China, People's Republic of China, and Hong Kong and Macau, which is pretty exciting. So let's take a look at the pipeline here. So they have the omadacycline, which I told you about, is tetracycline class, already approved for community-acquired pneumonia. Now, the reason why this is pretty exciting is oral and IV dosing is pretty exciting. So patient can theoretically, if they're really bad, they take it IV in the hospital, and then they can go home on the same medication. So it can be given IV or oral, and could cut down on hospital time, which is fantastic. They have a non-tuberculosis mycobacteria orphan designation. That's not been approved yet, but data looks good so far. Could be, mycobacterium is a really awful, you could be on treatment for that for 9 months, 10 months on antibiotics. And if they get approval for that, that would be really great for patients. Military research, also in clinical trials, pre-exposure prophylaxis for pulmonary anthrax. So this is pretty exciting stuff. I mean, they have different agreements. I saw that they had an agreement with the Strategic National Stockpile. So basically, there's all these public threats. Some of these antibiotics could be resistant to them. So they have a Strategic National Stockpile, and I want to say that it's valued at, I think, $115 million contract. So at least $30 million already been paid to Paratek, and additional procurements for the Nuzara omadacycline medication. So that's exciting. So let's take a look at the stock price. Stock symbol PRTK, Paratek Pharmaceuticals. At the time of the video is trading at $2.26. I do think at these type of companies do get hammered a little bit because of the inflation, risk of interest rates going higher, for the time being. But I still think there's a lot of opportunity here, a lot of great opportunity. Big chance of big risk, but big chance for reward. They do have a lot of different indications in the pipeline. So I'm going to continue to monitor this company. That's all the time I have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and the content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe, helps my channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.